GoPro is here on my channel finally. Let's get moving. First of all is
Access granted.
Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe.
GoPro is here on my channel finally. GoPro is here on my channel finally. Oh, don't look at my TV. Yeah. And anyways, let's see which GoPro suits best for you. Are you a cameraman? Do you want to use GoPro? Well, you have come to the right place. Here you're gonna see a bunch of GoPro cameras and you're gonna purchase one if you like them. Yeah. So let's see the GoPro cameras. First of all is Hero9 Black. Regarded as the best GoPro action camera with a price of £330. First of all, let's see what is pound in Indian rupees. So let's search this. A pound sterling is equal to an approximately 100 Indian rupees. So multiplying by 330 it equals 33,000. So it's in rupees 33,000. And anyways, Hero Black features 23.6 megapixel sensor through which 30 frame per second and 5000 resolution and stills at 20 megapixel. It's also got a 30% increased battery capacity, which means it can be used for longer periods of time. And along with a front facing screen, it's also got a front facing screen. It's also waterproof and its lens can be swapped for longer shoots, which wasn't available in the older version, so it's got a new upgradations. And it also got an upgradation of stabilization, which called Hyper Smooth 3.0. Yeah, it's like a version of stabilization 2.0, 3.0. And recently this 10 was also came into limelight with a Hyper Smooth 4.0, but let's discuss about the 3.0 right now. Look at this. This element will be useful in recording a very smooth footage, even in case of a jerk. GoPro has also added horizon level features that your footage can be leveled along with being captured. It can also be leveled to a good level. It can also be leveled. It doesn't end here. Let's look at all of its features for proper understanding. Look at this. And here it is spec sensor 1 to 2 by 3 inches CMOS. Sensor pixels 23.6 megapixels. Here's max recording resolution, which is 5030 fps. Its size is important. 71 width, 33 depth, and 5 height millimeters. Weight is 158 gram. Warranty for 1 year. And most of these cameras have warranty for 1 year that I've seen. Hero9 Black. It's just a step below Hero9. And it records at a resolution of 4000K and at 60 frames per second. So resolution is low, but the frame per second is high this time. And up to 100 mLIs or hyper smooth level is 2.0. But footage level is good. Hyper smooth level might be low than it's Hero9, but its video quality footage is good. And it's also got an excellent audio quality. Just like Hero9, it's got a waterproof design to be body with mounting prongs and to improve the versatility and stabilization. It's also got, look at this, it's also got a bunch of attachable modes, mics, ports, lights, and external screen also. What is its price? 260, and as in Indian rupees, it's 26,000. It's a bit lower than HTC Hero, yeah, because of the quality. The quality matters. More quality is there, the higher price is there. Sensor pixels is 12 megapixels. The spec sensor is the same as the earlier one. Resolution is this. Size is this. 66.3 width, 28.4 depth, 48.5 millimeter height. Its weight is 122 gram. Warranty again 1 year. Yeah. Choose your camera wisely. GoPro Hero 7 Silver. It's at a price of £200, which in Indian rupees is 200 and 200. What is it? 20,000 in Indian rupees. Currently H7 has been discontinued, or this is the news, I don't know fully, but it is available at a budget friendly price till. 7 can shoot up to 4000 at 4000 resolution, 30 frames per second, but it lacks the hyper smooth stabilization. Oh, so this a bit of problem. Lacks a bit of hyper smooth stabilization, kind of falls below 8 and 9, so you might see a bit like lesser stabilization in the footages. But it is the battery part. H7 has built a built-in battery, so you can't swap it out for longer shootings. Just like other, it's got waterproof abilities, 10 megapixels, and AV connection. No AV connections. So this is the only one which has AV connections right now. What is its size? It matters also, like how heavy your camera is, what size it can you carry, like 62, 28, 45 millimeter. Weight is just 97 gram. Warranty again 1 year. Most of these cameras are warranty of 1 year, as I've seen. GoPro Max, fisheye lenses. It's got fisheye lenses at front screen and back screen. So basically you can shoot in all the directions at once, all directions, front, back. It's got both type of lenses here. And anyways, GoPro's camera's quality is extremely high level, just like an HD movie, maybe more even than that. It can also stitch the footage if you have made a 360 view, and if you're gonna upload it on YouTube, people are gonna have different options to view from in a 360 degree video. Yeah, you can view 360 degree video like this for hyper smooth level. It has this best level. Yeah, it's not surprising to see an extremely high level camera having the best stabilization technique. And look at this top quality audio with 6 mics. GoPro Max prices originally for 47,000 in Indian rupees and pound 470, but buying from a GoPro directly from the card with a subscription of 1 year, you can get a discount up to £90. That you can get it in £380, but only if you buy it directly from the GoPro website with a 1 year subscription. The sensor pixels are at 18 megapixels. Yeah, the resolution is 5.6K. FPS is just 30 though. 360 degree. 5.6K, that is gonna be like a real movie. Let's see, this size is 64 into 24 into 69 millimeters. Weight is 163 gram. Again, a 1 year warranty. Hero Black 10. And if I remember correctly, this was the recently released product on Black Friday sales. You can see it. Yeah, it's got like double FPS, low light performance. It is also cloud connected. Oh my god, this is gonna give a tough competition to GoPro Max. More advanced than 8 and 9 for sure. And let's see. Let's go straight to the properties. The resolution is 5.3K plus 4K. With 120 FPS, that's double default FPS. Oh my god. Sensor with 23 megapixels. Hyper smooth is at level 4.0. More stability, like that's gonna give a real view. No, it's also compatible with the Quick app. New GPU processor. Oh my god. To be honest, I'm not myself a cameraman. I don't know so much in detail about cameras, so just who wants to purchase a GoPro camera, this is what it is. It is originally for £550, but again a 1 year subscription and purchasing directly from GoPro's website, and you can get here £200 discount, which means you can get it in £350. Keep in mind that these are all approximate values. Yeah, I think that is the end of my show, and if you like it, please hit the subscribe button, dislike, whatever you like the video.